we need a toolkit, we need a backpack for this journey, right? When I said backpack, so let's imagine you're going to Arba'in Ziyara. If you look at the 20 million people who are there, if you look at their backpacks, probably no two backpacks are the exact same, right? But you find pretty similar things in them. Like everyone has some pieces of clothes, everyone has maybe like some food, maybe some people don't need food, maybe they just rely on the mawakib that are on the way. So everyone based on their needs, maybe some people have drugs that they need, right? Medicines that they need. Everyone based on their own needs, they create their own toolkit. So it's not like I give you a toolkit and it's a toolkit for everyone. I'll give you some general things that you will need on this journey. I will bring your attention to some things that we will always need on this journey, and you will pick and choose based on your personality, based on your surroundings, based on your needs. One of the principles, one of the things that you will always find in every successful wayfarer's backpack is gentleness. This is very important. This is a very important principle, to be gentle. Because sometimes you feel very motivated and you want to be devoted and you pick up too much. You put too much on your plate, right? And that doesn't suit well with a long way. A lot of times your wajibat are enough, right? You don't want to do too much. You don't want to like 1,000 times this dhikr, 1,000 times this ziyarah, right? You don't want to do too much. You want to do your wajibat, you want to refrain from muharramat, but you want to, improve the quality. You want to bring more attention to your wajibat. You want to do it better, not more of it necessarily, right? Sometimes you might think like, okay, this thing really helps me. Like for example, tasbihat of Sayyidah Fatima after every prayer really helps me. Or ziyarah Ashura one time a day really helps me. But not too much, not to the point that you exhaust yourself.